Let's discuss the Michelin CrossClimate2 all-season tires.
They're kind of like mini tractor tires. And the car performed well under adverse snow conditions today. It really flung the snow, like I could feel it scooping the snow as I was driving. And you can see here that it's all over the back sidewall of the vehicle. Here too, you can see it leaves a very deep tread, very strong tread pattern.
Here are the CrossClimate2s going downhill in a couple of inches of snow. The car handled smoothly and did not lose traction, nor did it spin out of control. Overall, the CrossClimate2 tires are impressive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.